Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing another bag review. This is a Gucci tote bag. If you like this kind of video, relax and enjoy. Hi, so this is the bag I will be reviewing. I'll bring it out and show you. This is a Gucci tote bag. It came with this white Gucci dust bag, and it came with this 2 chain and leather handle. This is the bag, and it has this Gucci shoe horse logo on it, and it has this 2 short I don't know if you can see it. It has these 2 handles, and it has the longer one that has with the gold chain, and also it is attached with this leather handle. And inside it has 2 compartments. 2 of them are at the same size. This is the receipt of the bag. It has this magnet clasps, 2 of them on this side and on this side. I don't know if you can see it. So this is the depth of the bag is really deep. You can fit a lot of stuff. It fit all this. And the other side is something. And the other side has like a compartment here. Is another side. So both sides are the same. And it has this red, like a burgundy red trim leather inside and on the sides and on the bottom. So this bag, you can use it for every day, or you can use it as a work bag. I was gonna see if a laptop fits in it. I don't have my laptop here, so I'm gonna use my iPad Pro to see if it fits. Yeah, it fits. So probably it's gonna fit a small laptop in it. So this is the bag. This is the front, the side.
It's my only solution.